welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you 2 easy and inexpensive patriotic DIYs. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button below the video on the right. And if you want notifications for when I upload, just click the bell. So we're going to be making a patriotic floral arrangement and a splatter screen wreath. For the wreath, you're going to need one Dollar Tree splatter screen, and I just removed the knob. You're going to need a placemat, and I picked mine up at Walmart, and it's just Mainstays brand. And you're going to need a cute truck sign, and mine came from Dollar General, and it was $3, and they also come in red. You will also need some floral picks. I picked up the little stars at Dollar Tree. Now I'm just taking some floral wire. I'm placing my placemat over my splatter screen, and I'm just going to wire the placemat on. And I'm using 20 gauge floral wire, and you can pick it up at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that. So just thread it through the splatter screen, then go to the back, give the wires a few twists, cut off the extra part of the wires, fold them down, and I used a total of 4 wires. Just remember to make sure you center up your placemat over your splatter screen. So I used a total of 4 wires, so this is how it looks. And in the end, you could go back and cover the back of your wreath with felt so that it doesn't scratch your door or wall. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I am just gluing my little truck sign on. You could wire it on or glue it on. I have really good luck using Gorilla Glue brand hot glue sticks, so it's up to you, but I don't usually have any problem with things falling off when I use Gorilla Glue. So I glued my little truck kind of in the bottom on the center. Next, I'm just taking some of these stars that I picked up at Dollar Tree, just cutting them off of the string, and then I'm going to do the same thing with them. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back of the stars and place them around the top of the placemat. Make sure you do not glue your wreath down to your table. So I'm just adding the hot glue on about half of the stars and then going to place it on the placemat. Make sure it has time to dry before you move it around. You will also want to have some ribbon with wire to make a bow. And I also used some star table scatter. I believe it came from Dollar Tree also, so you'll need a package of it. And then this is the ribbon I used. It's kind of a burlap ribbon, and I just made a double bow. So let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop about the same size as your first loop, go back to your first side, make another loop, check to make sure the loops are about the same size, keep it pinched nice and tight in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop, check to make sure the loops are about the same size, then let out a tail, and you'll want to have some wire, some floral wire close by. Make sure you get the wire nice and tight around the center of your bow. I did wire my bow on because it was easier just to take those wires, thread it through the placemat, thread it through the splatter screen, then go the back and give the wires a few twists and cut off the extra part of the wires. At first, I put the bow just right below the little truck, and then I decided it was too close to the truck, so I moved it further down to the bottom of the placemat. On each side of the bow, I added a red Gerber daisy. I just hot glued the flowers on, and then I added a star on each side of the Gerber daisies, and then in the center of the bow, I added a pretty blue star. To hang up your splatter screen wreath, I usually just take a piece of floral wire, thread it through the placemat, thread it through the splatter screen, twist the wire to make a loop, and then it's ready to hang up on your door. So that's it, guys. My patriotic splatter screen wreath is finished, and this is how it looks hanging on my dining room wall. I did move it to another spot, but I would recommend keeping this wreath inside. Next, we have our cute patriotic truck floral arrangement, and I picked up this little galvanized metal truck, at Walmart for around $10 this spring. Right now, Dollar General has some really pretty ones for around $15. So if you can't find one at Walmart, lots of places carry these little trucks right now. And I'm just using some foam I picked up at Dollar Tree. So I'm just adding a dot of hot glue to the bed of the truck, pushing the foam in. I just added a little bit of hot glue, that way I can change it out or move my flowers around. Then I'm just taking some red, white, and blue flowers, trimming them a little bit shorter, and I'm going to just take my flowers and push them into the foam. I also have a few glitter picks and some stars that I think I picked them up at Hobby Lobby. The truck bed's kind of small, so I didn't have to use very many flowers, so I just kind of just randomly placed the flowers. I usually try to do a pattern, and I started out doing a pattern, but then I just went ahead and filled in, and then I added the little sparkly ball picks, and then last I added the little stars. You could add in some moss to cover up the foam, or you could use the stars table scatter to fill in anywhere that you think that you might could see the foam, and that's just kind of something fun and unexpected. So I used the stars to fill in around the bed of the truck. Also, this arrangement will be easy to change out for the different seasons and holidays. You can either just pull out your flowers out of the foam, or if you did like I did and just added a dot of hot glue, you can just pop out the whole arrangement and make a new one. So it's up to you. Okay guys, so now my flower arrangement is complete. I put this one on my entry table, and then right above it I put the little splatter screen wreath. So you'll have to let me know which one's your favorite, the splatter screen wreath or this little truck flower arrangement. I hope you enjoyed these DIYs, and I hope you're having a wonderful summer. Thank you guys so much for watching.